All you have to do is type an amount to Flash, hit the button to allow to generate Flash USDT, and boom, you have received 100k USDT in Binance Wallet. Now we gonna learn how to Flash USDT in Binance Wallet. Let's begin. Welcome guys, we gonna learn how to generate unlimited Flash from the scratch into Binance Wallet. Please pay attention. Contact us from the video description or contact us directly on Telegram at Modules. Now in this video we gonna demonstrate how to generate unlimited Flashest TRC20 so easy without any technical difficulties or knowledge.